Hello, my name is Eyal Virzhansky, and this is the beginning of a video series about my book, Hands-on Genetic Algorithms with Python, second edition. This is a very hands-on book. It contains many programs that solve different types of problems, and I have this series of videos to go over those programs and accompany them so you can do them with me if you like. Although this is a very hands-on book, as I mentioned, it also has two chapters in the beginning that give you a very good background about genetic algorithms and how they work and how they differ from other algorithms, etc. And I highly recommend to read those two chapters first, but you could skip them if you're eager to get started with the hands-on part. In which case, you start at chapter 3, and my next video will be about how to set up your environment, basically going over the README file. We have a repository on GitHub that you will get your software from, and the README file will be explained in the next video if you need that. And then I will go chapter by chapter and run all the programs and give some explanations about how they work, what they do. So even though we touch a lot of different kinds of problems, and a lot of the book has to do with AI and machine learning, you don't need to have a particular background in any of these subjects. The book always gives you the background and an easy way to get into this subject and explains it. So all you really need to know is Python programming, in some level of Python programming, so you can follow the programs, you can run them, you can modify them if need be. And if you are into machine learning, you want to get started with it, this could be a good way to actually get started, because you will be introduced to a lot of different aspects of machine learning, supervised machine learning, reinforcement machine learning, natural language processing, etc. Plus, you have a lot of other problems that are not necessarily directly related to machine learning or AI, but very useful, such as planning, scheduling, function optimization in general, etc. So I will see you in the next videos. Thanks for joining me, and see you soon.